Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you all know, myself Rutikar, studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering in the Department of Electronics and Communication. So today I am here to discuss about the Environmental Management System that is called EMS and its applications. So in detail, let us see what is meant by EMS and its applications. Introduction to Environmental Management Systems. So let us see what is Environmental Management System. An environmental management system is a framework for managing an organization's environmental impacts. EMS helps organizations comply with regulatory requirements and improve their overall environmental performance. It is a schematic approach that promotes continuous improvement in environmental practices. So EMS is created by the central government or government is to create the desired environment in an environment. So here these are the, as you can see in the pictures, there are five, that is plan, do, act, check and act. These four plays a very important role in the EMS system. So so first we need to plan the things, then we need to do the things, then we need to verify those things are proper or not, then we need to act according to the plan. Importance of EMS. An effective EMS can lead to reduced environmental risks and enhanced sustainability. It fosters a culture of environmental responsibility among employees and stakeholders. So this is the main importance of EMS. That is why the EMS is created in an organization. So it creates the responsibility among the employees and stakeholders. Organizations with EMS in place often experience lower operational costs due to efficient resource use. So, if EMS is not present, then they may utilize more resources. So, and it can lead to more operational costs. Due to EMS, they are using lower operational costs. That is also advantage and importance of EMS. Key elements of EMS. The main components of an EMS include policy development, planning, implementation, and evaluation. As I told you before, plan, do, check, act. That is mean by that is also similar to development, planning, implementation, and evaluation. So effective communication and training are essential for successful EMS implementation. Without communication and training, it is not possible for successful implementation of EMS. Monitoring and reviewing performance are crucial for identifying areas for improvement. ISO 14001 standard. ISO 14001 provides a globally recognized framework for establishing an EMS. Adopting this standard helps organizations demonstrate their commitment to environmental management. Certification to ISO 14001 can improve an organization's reputation and stakeholder trust. So, in EMS, ISO 14001 is a very standardized certification. If any organization having ISO 14001 certification, then the organization will be a very reputed organization, and all the stakeholders will be trusting that organization to invest. So that is the importance of EMS. Steps in developing an EMS. The first step in developing an EMS is conducting an initial environmental review. Organizations must set clear environmental objectives and targets based on their impacts. So first, for developing an EMS, the organization must set all the environmental objectives. So environmental objectives for particular organization is what the organization aims towards the environment. Those are called as objectives, and targets based on the impacts of the organization. Documenting processes and procedures is essential for effective implementation and compliance. Policy development. An environmental policy outlines an organization's commitment to environmental protection. It should reflect legal requirements, stakeholder expectations, and organization values. So, for the development of policy in an EMS, it should contain all the legal requirements, stakeholder expectations, and organization values. The policy serves as a foundation for setting specific objectives and action plans. Planning process. The planning phase involves identifying environmental aspects and accessing their impacts. Organizations should prioritize risks and opportunities for improvement based on their assessments. If the assessments has any mistakes, then it will be an opportunity to improve the organization. So this is a very important step in planning process. Establishing measurable objectives and targets is crucial for tracking progress. Implementation and operation. Effective implementation requires adequate resources, training, and communication strategies. Organization must assign roles and responsibilities to ensure accountability. Procedures should be in place to manage operational control and emergency situations. The five key components to support strategy implementation is people, organization, culture, resources, and systems. Monitoring and measurement. Continuous monitoring of environmental performance is essential for evaluating the EMS effectiveness. Key performance indicators should be established to measure progress against objectives. Regular audits help identifying non-conformities and areas needing corrective action. So in an EMS, regular audits are compulsory to check the organizational objectives and whether they are following their objectives or not. Management review. And management review is conducted to assess the EMS overall performance and effectiveness. It provides an opportunity to evaluate whether objectives are being met and to identify improvements. Top management's commitment is vital for the continuous improvement of the EMS. Benefits of EMS. Implementing an EMS can lead to significant cost savings through reduced waste and resource consumption. So this is a very good benefit of EMS. Organizations can enhance their market position by demonstrating environmental responsibility. EMS can improve compliance with environmental regulations, reducing legal risks and penalties. So if the EMS is improved in an organization, then they no need to pay penalties because they will be following all the rules. Applications in industry. EMS is applicable across various industries including manufacturing, construction, and services. It helps, com it helps companies minimize their ecological footprint while maintaining profitability. Many industries incorporate EMS as a part of their corporate social responsibility initiatives. So as you can see, the applications in various industries is that would be healthcare, finance, retail, manufacturing, transportation, education, and learning. EMS in government. Government agencies utilize EMS to manage their environmental impacts effectively. It promotes transparency and accountability in public sector environmental practices. EMS implementation in government can serve as a model for private sector practices. So here in the image you can see an environmental management system model. EMS in education. Educational institutions adopt EMS to promote sustainability and environmental awareness among students. It helps schools and universities reduce their energy consumption and waste generation. And EMS in education fosters a culture of environmental stewardship within the community. Let us see a case study that involves EMS in manufacturing. A manufacturing company implemented an EMS and achieved a 25% reduction in waste. So this is a very great advantage of EMS if they implement in an organization. So it helps in reduction of waste. So the EMS helped streamline process, leading to improved efficiency and reduced costs. Employee engagement in environmental initiatives increased, fostering a positive workplace culture. So it helps in also in initiatives. Challenges in EMS implementation. Organizations may face resistance to change, hindering the successful implementation of an EMS. Limited resources and expertise can pose challenges for smaller organizations. Ensuring ongoing commitment from top management is critical for overcoming these barriers. Future trends in EMS. The integration of technology such as AI, that is artificial intelligence, and IoT. IoT is meant by Internet of Things, is shaping the future of EMS. Organizations will increasingly focus on sustainable supply chain management as part of their EMS. There is a growing trend toward transparency and reporting in environmental performance. The role of stakeholders. Engaging stakeholders is crucial for the success of an EMS as it promotes collaboration. Stakeholders include employees, customers, suppliers, and community members. Effective communication with stakeholders enhances trust and fosters support for environmental initiatives. Now let us see the conclusion. An effective environmental management system is essential for organizations to minimize their environmental impacts. It promotes a culture of sustainability and continuous improvement within organizations. As environmental challenges grow, the importance of robust EMS practices will only increase. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.